So someone took my mother's car. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we got a little bit of work to do on the old Touareg. There is a bit of the cap that someone's clouted on the front bumper, so we've ordered a new one. I'll show that to you in a second. We've got all the cleaning stuff to give the old scratches a go around to make sure it looks all nice and neat as well. This is the cap and like all the scratches we need to sort out, so we're going to go through that, give it a clean, see how deep and bad they are, figure out if we can get them fixed with just our normal stuff we've got. And there's the cap I ordered. Apparently it's colour coded to the vehicle. We'll see how that goes. I'll put the eBay thing on the video so you can have a little look as well. So we're going to use the old soapy soap, fill it up, ready for it. So we'll give it a spray down, see how it looks. Leave that to soak in for a minute, then we'll give it a wipe off. Then we got our little box here full of stuff. It's an adorable like fake packed lunchbox looking thing. Glass rag, normal rags, other rag, mitt, spongy thing. Aircon freshener, fair enough. We'll use the old pink one. Like that. Give it a wipe off first. To be fair, I reckon we can get rid of some of them scratches on there. We'll get the old polish out and see what we can, well, give it another clean off again, and then we'll give it, then polish the old scratches out, see how that goes. One more quick spray. Quick wipe. Tell you what, it'd be easy with a cameraman, wouldn't it? Let's be fair. Yeah, someone reversed into her in like a car park, clouted that off, and to be fair, it's not come out too bad. Like there's deep scratches, but I'm hoping with the polish and stuff we'll be able to get them out. But it's actually not come up too bad. I will be cleaning the wiper blades though, because they look like they haven't moved in a while, so I shall be cleaning the wiper blades and the screen. Might even polish the screen. Right, let's spray the screen with the soapy soap. Make sure we get the wiper blades in there. Let's clean up. Clean the back of them as well. Remember guys to always clean your wiper blades, it will prolong the life of them. And clean around the surface areas where they are. Hopefully that will make them last a bit longer. It's janky down this side to be fair. Right, we got the polish on here, now we're just going to dab away and see how it goes. On there, dab on there, and then we'll rub it in like so. Pray for the best. Now we'll just let it sort of go like that, because I can't think of the actual word for it. So we're going to give it, I mean it is warm today, so I'm sure it will go off quickly. So we'll give it another second or two, and then we'll wait for that to go fully, and then we can rub off. While we're waiting on that, I'm just going to quickly clean the, well, I'm going to polish the glass with the Auto Glim car glass polish. So we're going to give that a go and see if we can get some of these thinner scratches. Alright, so that's gone like clouded over, so we can give that a little wipe over. I've done the rear, they can't really see it, I've done the rear of it, Crocs and white socks. And then that is gone clouded over as well, so we'll give that a wipe off. Get the old small cap on, see how that looks, and wipe off the glass as well. It's mostly all faded out boys, so we'll give it another couple goes and hopefully it should all be out. And then yeah, we'll see how the windscreen's turned up. Not too bad at all, that is. Yep, and the rear windscreen. Now we just need to figure out this thing pops back into there. It should just pop back in, but it does look a bit crusty in there if I'm honest with you. So we'll just have to see how it goes. This is when you need a cameraman. It's the least thing you can be filming doing it. Never mind, I haven't got enough money for a cameraman. Clipped back in, to be fair, the paint's on point. It's come out really nicely. It just really clipped in nicely, to be fair. Yeah, same colour. Quite impressed with it. Clipped in like in seconds. I thought it was going to be a pain. Yeah, as you can see, now we're in the Touareg. I've got this quick, fresh citrus smell thing. So you pop it down and then you put the AFC on regas or recirc, and then it will make it smell lovely for a bit. So we'll do that quickly, and then we'll use the wipe blades to make sure they're working all right, clean the windscreen fine, and yeah, go. As you can see boys, we've left the AC thing running in there, recirculating it. Lovely chip in the windscreen that I've discovered. Right in there. I have to get the chip repair kit out, and that's the AC purge, AC spray thing done. Does smell lemony fresh. It is very toxic. Thanks for watching guys. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. And remember guys, if cabbage can, you can too.